If you think streaming boxes have reached their limit, the Apple TV 4K 2025 is here to prove you wrong. This new generation isn't just another upgrade. It's a complete shift in how your living room can look, sound, and feel. And today, we're going deep into every major change, every hidden improvement, every real-world benefit that makes this device one of the most exciting Apple products of the year. So stay with me, because once you hear what Apple is preparing for 2025, you'll understand why people are already calling this the biggest update since the very first Apple TV. Let's start with the core idea behind this new model. Apple wants the Apple TV for K2025 to become the entertainment hub of your home, not just a streaming device, but a processor powerhouse, a gaming machine, a HomeKit controller, a spatial audio engine, and an AI-focused platform. This time, everything is faster, smoother, more intelligent, and more natural. Apple's entire goal is to make your TV feel more alive than ever before. The biggest headline feature is performance. Apple is expected to bring the new A17 class chip into the Apple TV 4K 2025. Imagine the performance of a flagship iPhone, but used entirely for home entertainment. This means zero lag, instant app launches, seamless switching between heavy apps, faster scrubbing through 4K movies, and most importantly, console-level gaming through Apple Arcade. Apple knows gamers want smooth gameplay without heating, lag, or frame drops. And this new chip finally gives the Apple TV enough power to deliver exactly that. But it doesn't stop at speed. Apple is integrating its newest AI engine into tvOS 2025. This isn't just about recommendations. This is smarter, deeper, personalized intelligence built directly into your TV. The Apple TV for K2025 will analyze the way you watch content, how you move between apps, the kind of shows you finish, the genres you skip, and even the times you normally watch, then build custom playlists that feel like they were curated by someone who knows you personally. Apple is also rumored to introduce a AI-powered scene selection, meaning your Apple TV can pick the best moment from movies, the perfect episode to continue, or even smart skip options for content you don't want to watch. But the next feature is something fans have been waiting for: improved picture quality. Apple is pushing advanced HDR support with deeper blacks, brighter highlights, and more accurate color reproduction. Combined with future-ready features like Dolby Vision IQ and adaptive HDR, the Apple TV for K2025 can adjust its picture based on your room's lighting. So whether you're watching in a dark room or a bright living space, you always get the perfect image without lifting a finger. For cinema lovers, this upgrade alone makes the new model worth it. Now let's talk audio, because this is where Apple is making one of the biggest jumps forward. The 2025 model is built around updated spatial audio algorithms. Apple wants your TV experience to feel like a private theater, especially if you're using AirPods Pro, AirPods Max, or the new HomePod lineup. With personalized spatial audio, dialogue becomes clearer, sound effects feel more surrounding, and music gains depth that standard speakers just can't match. The Apple TV 4K 2025 will also support the next-generation Dolby Atmos standard, giving you more precise object-based sound. Positioning. Even if you don't have a high-end speaker setup, the Apple TV can intelligently enhance your existing TV speakers to give you a more immersive experience. Now let's move to smart home features. This new Apple TV is expected to double as a more powerful home hub, faster automation triggers, improved Matter support, more stable HomeKit connections, and richer controls for lights, cameras, and door locks. If you're someone who relies on smart home devices, this upgrade is a quiet but extremely important improvement. Apple is also testing multi-user voice recognition through Siri, meaning your Apple TV can respond differently based on who is talking. Kids will get kid-safe recommendations, adults get their own personalized dashboard, and guests get limited access. This is the kind of invisible improvement that makes daily life simpler. But now comes one of the coolest rumored features: Apple's new adaptive mode for gaming. This allows games to automatically switch between performance mode and cinematic mode, depending on what's happening on screen. So when gameplay gets intense, the Apple TV boosts performance. And when you're watching cutscenes, it shifts too. Picture quality. Small, but it's the type of innovation that shows Apple is taking gaming seriously. Speaking of gaming, Apple is building deeper support for console-style controllers, Bluetooth keyboards, and even third-party accessories. With cloud gaming expanding and Apple Arcade upgrading its library, the Apple TV 4K 2025 may finally become a real alternative to casual consoles like Nintendo Switch or Xbox Series S. The powerful chip makes this completely possible. Another area where Apple is stepping up is storage. While nothing is confirmed yet, leaks suggest we may get 128 gigabytes or even 256 gigabytes variants. This is a big move that helps users download more apps, store larger games, and keep everything running smoothly. A higher storage option means Apple wants the device to serve as a long-term entertainment and gaming center. Now, let's shift to design. Apple keeps things clean and minimal, but small details are expected to change. More compact body, better thermal efficiency, and possibly a redesigned Siri remote. The current remote is good, but Apple may add improved touch sensitivity, a new haptic engine, and precision controls for gaming. There's also talk of a Find My Remote feature built directly into the device, something users have been begging for. And here's something very exciting for Apple ecosystem users. The Apple TV 4K 2025 will likely feature deeper integration. With iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch, imagine using your iPhone as a live preview screen when you're watching security cameras. Imagine transferring a FaceTime call directly to your TV with a single swipe, or controlling your home's smart devices on the big screen using your Apple Watch. Apple wants the TV to become a central part of its ecosystem, not just a separate product. The next part is important for anyone interested in fitness and lifestyle. Apple Fitness Plus will get upgraded with more immersive workouts, synchronized lighting options, and AI-generated training recommendations. If you have a home gym setup, or if you work out in your living room, the Apple TV 4K 2025 will become the ATNO brain behind your fitness routine. Another powerful improvement is content compression and streaming optimization. Apple is working on a new engine that reduces buffering, speeds up load times, and makes video quality more stable even on normal Wi-Fi networks. For people who stream a lot of 4K content, this is huge. Your movies will start faster, your shows won't pause, and everything will feel more fluid. One of the biggest behind-the-scenes upgrades is thermal performance. Apple is reportedly optimizing heat management so the device stays cool even under heavy gaming or long streaming sessions. Less heat means better performance, longer lifespan, and a silent experience, something Apple TV already excels in but will now push even further. And yes, there are rumors about Apple introducing a new Pro-tier subscription bundle for tvOS with exclusive AI-driven features, deeper customization, and premium content recommendations. Nothing is confirmed, but it shows the direction Apple is moving toward a smarter, more personalized entertainment future. So what does all this mean for you? It means the Apple TV 4K 2025 is shaping up to be not just another upgrade, but a generational step forward. A device that's faster, smarter, more immersive, and more personalized than anything Apple has released in this category. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, controlling your home, working out, or enjoying music, this new Apple TV is designed to elevate that experience in a way that feels effortless, and for people already inside the Apple ecosystem. This device will feel like the missing puzzle piece, the part that finally connects everything together in your home. The Apple TV 4K 2025 is more than a streaming box. It's the future of home entertainment. It's the brain of your smart home. It's your personal cinema processor, and it's your gaming machine, fitness trainer, and AI companion, all in one sleek, silent box. If you're thinking about upgrading, this might be the year. Because Apple isn't just making improvements, they're changing how your living room feels.